So now we're going to look at adding some highlighting to these variances here. This could be a long list of variances, or they could be hard to spot. So we want to make sure that make it a little easier on ourselves. So we're in Clarity Studio now. We've got our variance piece here. So we've got to go to the Features tab and click on Traffic Lighting. You'll see a traffic lighting rule show up. So I'm going to change the name to Highlight Variances. And this gives me, when it's less than a number, between it's going to be this, and when it's greater than it will be this. So think of the formatting is really what we're looking at in these two sections. So if it's less than, and you can choose a value from, so I could choose a cell, but in this case I'm just going to hard code a value in here. If it's less than negative 0.00001, then I want the cell to show up with a fill of, let's say, that color. Between will be fine, but if the variance is greater than that, then let's say we want to show up a fill of the same color. Now what do we want to apply it to? Well, we want to apply it to this range. So I'm just select that whole column. So that gets applied to that. So it's enabled. So I'm going to say save this, save and send, publish. It's published. So I want to run the report now. Choose my page options, and there we go. So now that's highlighting the variance for me. So I don't need to scan through the whole list. I could also suppress the zeros, which would make it easier. But I like the highlighting because at least if I see that the two numbers that are there, that tells me they do tie out. And actually, let's do that. Maybe we want to make that a little bit better. So if it's between, that's actually good. So maybe let's put that in a pale green. So we know that cell's good. So again, we'll do save and send. There we go. So that's showing out that variance is fine. So yeah, that looks good.